Does making projects with concrete seem too intimidating to try for yourself? Hi friends, I'm Jamie from SoMuchBetterWithAge.com. I'm dedicated to helping you create a beautiful life with easy to follow DIY projects, home decorating, organization, and a little bit of life advice along the way. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a super easy concrete project by making a decorative concrete bowl like this one from my book. For the mold, we use two dollar store stainless steel bowls, one large and one small. To measure how much you need, you can add the concrete mix to the large bowl first, or you can do what Aaron did and just eyeball about a quarter of a bucket. If you want to be exact, you can fill the metal bowl with water, displace the water with a smaller bowl, then pour remaining water into the bucket. You will now know how much concrete to mix. Make a mental note or mark. Dump out the water and add concrete mix about 3/4 of the way, and then add water and stir. You'll know the ratio is right when it's like cake batter. Not too thick, but not too thin. Making the mix thinner will get you a smoother finish, but takes longer to cure and is more susceptible to bubbles. Make sure to mix it well. If it's too runny, add a bit more mix. If it's too thick, add a bit more water. Grease the inside of the large bowl and the outside of the small bowl. You can use Vaseline or a household grease. I'll link the one that we used in the description below. Pour the concrete mix into the large bowl. You can even out the top with a putty knife or trowel, and then tap the bowl to get rid of any air bubbles. Push down the small bowl into the middle of the concrete mix. Place a board over the bowls, then some bricks to weigh it down. Wait 24 to 48 hours. The longer you wait, the harder the concrete will be and less susceptible to damage, but it might be more difficult to remove. Remove the bricks, wood, and tip the bowl over. Cover the bowl with a towel and then use a mallet to lightly tap on the bottom. You can also tap just the top rim of the large bowl to release the concrete bowl. Then again with the small bowl to release it. For more inspiration, be sure to check out my other DIY videos and head to my blog, SoMuchBetterWithAge.com, for more tutorials. You can also find 70 more projects in my book, French Vintage Decor.